I am Paulo, founder of the company DPR Revestimentos. I've been here for 38 years. We operate in the manufacturing of marble, granite and slabs, compact surfaces in general. We manufacture sinks, wash basins, tables, and countertops for all types of projects, including custom projects. We manufacture everything here, then deliver to the client's home or job site.
In the marble and stone sector, the most commonly used materials nowadays go beyond traditional marble and granite. We see growth in the use of engineered surfaces, like large-format ultra-compact slabs, quartz, and quartzites, which offer greater resistance and versatility. In finishes, from the classic polished finish to options like honed and brushed finishes, the demand is increasingly diversified. With trends in architecture and civil engineering, customers are demanding more personalized and detailed projects, so it's essential that our company is always innovating. This includes our choice of materials and the modernization of our internal processes, investing in technologies like the ARES software, which brings us more precision, agility, and competitiveness.
A few years ago, we implemented ARES CAD software in our company, and we are very satisfied. It's a program where we don't need the most powerful machines. The machines can be older, and it works in the cloud so we can open it on cell phones.
I'm Maurício, technical measurer and designer at DPR Revestimentos. I have training in architecture and also experience in this field with residential and commercial projects. The ARES CAD software is important here in our work because I can develop a precise technical project which facilitates edits and production.
ARES provides tools that simplify daily work at DPR Revestimentos, like generating a single PDF from a sheet set and adding QR codes directly into drawings.
The QR code feature is very interesting because each client receives their specific code for their project. They have access to the latest revision of their project in real time via that code. Production and installation also use this feature, so it minimizes printing and enables access for everyone. When I share the project viewing link with the client, they get quick access to the latest revision of the ongoing project, and they don't need specific software to view it. The Dynamic Blocks feature is a very interesting tool to speed up and facilitate the project. For example, sinks and basins. Manufacturers have their models and specifications, so I can select the specific model for the client and put it into the project quickly.
DPR Revestimentos believes that innovation is the key to continue growing and standing out in the market. In a sector where precision and quality are essential, investing in technology is no longer an option, but a necessity. With ARES CAD, DPR optimizes its processes, gains agility, and prepares for future challenges, always ahead in the surfaces market.